Hi everyone, welcome to the Art of Tom Gallovich. This channel is going to be dedicated for those who want to learn watercolors, acrylics, pen and ink, photography. I'm going to keep everything all on the same channel for a reason. I think there is a benefit to studying artists or even the same artist from different types of mediums. There is something you can learn, whether it be composition or, more importantly, even if it's a medium that you may want to start learning. It will give you opportunities to expand your creativity. For example, when I'm out in the field photographing, I often photograph for photography's sake. If I feel it makes a really good, strong photograph, that's what I keep it for. Otherwise, on bright sunny days, maybe it might make a nice watercolor. If it has specific textures that would be tough to duplicate in a watercolor, then I may make it an acrylic painting. It gives me the opportunity to expand the amount of subject matter I could do and also the way I could do it. Now, in my tutorials, I feel it's very important to keep the photograph I'm working from in visual sight. This gives anyone the opportunity to see how much am I going to stray away from the photograph. Will I exaggerate the colors? Will I change things for composition's sake because I could not make those adjustments in the field? All of those things are important to witness as you go. Now, some like to work from memory. Well, arguably, those memories all come from somewhere, whether it be movies, magazines, photographs, life experiences. It doesn't matter. It's all still up here. But the important point to remember is when you build this reference library, then spontaneous paintings become much more easier, because then as you see shapes evolve, then what I could say is it's much easier to say, ooh, that looks like a clump of this. That looks like a shape of that. And what you're doing is building on your own reference library as to what you can make something into in a spontaneous painting. Now, I am going to continue doing all types of different mediums, whether, again, it be the acrylics, watercolor, even digital for sure, but they are going to be a little bit more spread out because I'm going to still put them out at the same frequency, but I'm going to keep everything all on the same channel. So if you're looking for something specific, please be patient. Otherwise, if you find any kind of advantages of what I'm trying to do, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and that will help me out a great deal. In the meantime, I'm going to keep the videos coming. Until I see you out in the field or back at the studio, thanks for watching.